Hi everybody, I'm going to quickly show you how to create a folder in your Google Drive and set the sharing settings so that they're open and accessible to everyone in the course, including me, your professor. Okay, so here I am inside of my University of Ottawa Drive. Yours should look similar. This blue button here is where you create new everything. You can create folders, upload files, and create all manner of different kinds of documents here. So as per the instruction, I'm going to create a new folder. I'm going to name it Hagerman EDU5188 Perk, and I'm going to create that folder. Okay, so now I can set the sharing settings. I'm going to turn on sharing by doing the following things. So did you see how I did that? Let me go back. I click on the down arrow, I click on share, I click on the down arrow again. Notice that the default inside of the University of Ottawa Drive is anyone at University of Ottawa with the link can view. The trouble with this is that it actually locks down access to your materials to people with University of Ottawa Gmail addresses. Even though I have an email address that looks like yours, in fact, it's not managed on the same Gmail server. And so I actually cannot access any Google Drive documents that have that sharing setting. And there will be, other people in the course as well who might struggle to gain access if they're logged in to their browser and not with a University of Ottawa email address. So the important thing to do is to open up the link sharing options and click on either anyone with the link can access, no sign-in required, or you can make it fully public on the web. Anyone on the internet can find it and access, no sign-in required. And of course, you'll want to just set your own work to view only. So just make sure that that's the way it is. Click on save. Okay. And now, if you create a document, it says create and shared folder. The created item will have the same sharing permissions as the selected folder, so that now any document that you create should in fact have the same sharing settings. Oh, I have to title it. Test, save, exactly. Anyone with a link can view. That becomes the default sharing setting. So you should be good to go. Thanks everybody, hope that helps.